Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS solution. In this video, I want to show you the geology shapefile of Adamawa State. The geology shapefile of Adamawa State is now available. So let me quickly take you through and also demonstrate how can you use it to produce geological map of any part of Adamawa State which may be your study area. Here is the shapefile. If I right click and open the attributes table, in the attributes table you can see various attributes in the attributes table. You can see the geology, the code, the day it was digitized, and also the formations each rock type belongs to. Now for example, let's use geology to style it so that you can see how it works. So to do that, right click the layer and click on properties. Then let's categorize by coming to categories, and the field you want to use to categorize is the geology. Click here and select geology, then click on add all values, then click on OK. Yes, you can see the geology of Adamawa State. Here are various geology in Adamawa State. So for example, let's assume your study area is here. If your study area is here and you want to produce the geological map of your study area, once you have this shapefile, you can do that easily. If you need this shapefile or shapefile of geology of other states in Nigeria, you can check the description box. The links will be provided here, which you can follow to get them. So to produce the geological map of your study area, just come to geoprocessing and click on clip. So our input here will be the Adamawa geology, and our clip feature will be our study area, in this case Jada LGA. Then let me navigate to my working folder. I can just save it as Jada Geology and then click on save and click on OK. Yes, it is done. So I can now uncheck this and zoom this to layer. Here is the geology shapefile of my study area. Now to use it to produce the geological map of my study area, so I'll need to style it. So to do that, right click and click on properties, then click on categories, and we are categorizing using the geology. Click on add all value, then you can choose appropriate color for each rock type here and click on OK. So you can see various geology in this study area. Now we can take it to layout and produce the geological map of our study area by clicking on layout. Then I will come to this place, file, and change the orientation. I want to change the orientation to landscape, so I'll click on page and print setup, then change it to landscape and click on OK. Then I can quickly choose a template to add all my map elements. To do that, I'll click on change layouts and I'm choosing landscape and click on finish. Yes, then here I can just edit. So let me quickly edit my map elements here. Yes, add all your map elements and you can see the geological map of Jada LGA. So if you need the shapefile of the geology of Adamawa State, you can get it from the description box through the link provided there. Thank you for watching.